welcome to AAA Reviews. Today I'm going to show you this little how-to video, just a quick how-to video, guys. I picked this Emma Frost, the White Queen action figure up. I picked up two actually. I picked this one up, which is the builder figure for Annihilus, and I picked up this one, which is the Toys R Us Diamond Emma Frost exclusive. Now, as you can see, the one on the right is the pretty bad one with this sticker residue. I picked this one up for just £7.70 bidding on eBay, so a really bargain price. And this one I picked up for £7.50 UK pounds, that is. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do to bring these back to their best. We're going to take some screen wipes and of course give them a quick clean down, because they're absolutely covered in dirt. As you can see, it's all come off on this cloth. Now we need to remove this residue of this sticker, which we're going to use a little bit of tar and glue remover. So I'm going to spray that on the cloth and just give this a wipe down. I'm not using anything abrasive, so I don't want to scratch all the plastic up. I'm just going to let the tar and glue remover do its work. And as you can see, it immediately starts to work and starts to clear up the case. Now I am going to speed this up because again, you don't want to see me doing this, but you can see there, look guys, that's just removing really easy. Once I've done that, I'll give it another wipe down with a clean cloth, and I hope you will agree the results are astounding. They're amazing. These are back to their former glory. Really cool Hasbro legend pickups of Emma Frost. All crystal clear, diamond crystal clear if you ask me. Yeah, so I'm really happy with the results. And then now this is ready for my post that I'm going to put up on Instagram, which is what I'm going to do with this. So there you are. So thanks guys, thanks for watching. Hope to see you again soon, and good luck searching for that toy gold.